What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon Hainline, your Jeep informant, and today I've got a TSB that was released a couple weeks ago on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now this applies to vehicles built on or before February 27th, 2018, so it's an early build, and also has a 3.6 with an automatic transmission. Now, this service bulletin is addressing two conditions here. One being that the radio or instrument panel may reboot, like turn on and off, during a stop-start event under very extreme cold conditions, under 10 degrees Fahrenheit, that's negative 12 degrees Celsius. So if you live in the colder area, this could be happening to you here. Also, it states here on the first one that during cold vehicle operation, which it does not give us a temperature of what cold is, if you're using the cruise control and then you go above, you press the gas pedal and go above the set cruise control speed, when you let off, the engine RPMs may drop below idle, which could be an issue there. So what they're doing for the fix here for these two issues is a PCM flash, Powertrain Control Module update. So if you have either one of these concerns and you do fall within this build date, as you can see right here, then contact your local dealer, possibly for an update on the Powertrain Control Module. Guys, if you have any questions or concerns about this TSB, feel free to comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them with the knowledge that I have. Other than that, this is a wrap, and we'll be talking to you later. Thank you so much. I hope you're smarter now than you were when you started this video. So take care, have a great day, and be safe, guys.